Hello everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall solve the pair of linear equations with the help of graph. Let us take first question. Question first. Check graphically whether the pair of equations whether the pair of linear equations x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 is consistent, and if so, solve it graphically. Solution: we have x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is first equation, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Second. Now first of all, we shall find the set of two solutions for equation 1 and then for equation 2. From equation 1, x is equal to 6 minus 3y. When x is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to 6 minus 3y. 3y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 over 3, 2. When y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6. Therefore, the set of solutions for equation 1 is, this is when x is 0, then y is 2, and when y is 0, x is 6. Then from equation 2, 2x is equal to 12 plus 3y, x is equal to 12 plus 3y over 2. When x is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to 12 plus 3y over 2. 3y is minus 12. Y is minus 12 over 3, which is minus 4. Then, when y is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to 12 minus 6 over 2. 6 over 2 is 3. Therefore, the set of solution for equation 2 is xy, x0, y minus 4, x3, y minus 2. Also for equation 1, set of solution is x0, y, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, x0, y2, then x6, y0. Now we draw these on the graph. We mark points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Then we plot points for equation 1, x0, y2, x0, y2 is this is point P02, and then x6, y0. x6, y0 is this is Q60. We join these 2 points. This is line. First equation, x plus 3y is equal to 6 is equal to 6. Then we draw another equation. First point is x0, y minus 4 is this one. 0 minus 4. This is R. And then x3, y minus 2. x3, y minus 2 is this one. This is minus 2, this is 3. Minus 2. Therefore, we join this. This is second line RS, which is second equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So this is the graph. So two lines PQ and RS intersect at Q 6, 0. Since two lines represented by equations 1 and 2 intersect at a point Q, at a point Q 6, 0, therefore the point Q 6, 0 lies on both lines PQ and RS. Therefore, the system has a solution x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. Hence, the system of equations is consistent. Is consistent. Consistent. Second question, solve graphically. If 10 students of a class take part in a mathematics quiz, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Solution, first of all, we make equations. Let number of boys is x and number of girls is equal to y. According to question, total students in the class is 10. That is x plus y is equal to 10. And number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. That means y is equal to x plus 4. That means x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is second. First of all, we find two set of values for both these equations to plot the points on the graph. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 minus y. Therefore, when x is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to 10 minus y is equal to 10. Then when x is equal to 5, when x is equal to 5, then 5 is equal to 10 minus y is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Also, we take one more value. When y is 7, then x is equal to 10 minus 7, 3. Therefore, set of values for equation 1 is x, y. First of all, we have x is equal to 0. Then we have y is equal to 10. Then we have x is equal to 5. Y is also 5. Then we have y is equal to 7. X is 3. Then we take for equation second. Therefore, for the second equation, we have x minus y is equal to minus 4. And we find x is equal to minus 5. Y minus 4 when x is 0. 0 is equal to y minus 4. Y is equal to 4. This is 0, 4. When y is 0, then x is minus 4. So the table for second is 0, 4, minus 4, 0. Then the highest value for x is 5, and for y we can take any two values 7. Therefore, we shall draw this point P. P is 5, 5, x 5, y 5. Then Q is x3, y7. x3 is this, y7 is this, so we can go in this way and this way. So they will intersect at this point. Similarly, for then we shall join these two points P and Q to get PQ line. So this is the line for x plus y is equal to 10. Then we shall draw R point 0, 4, x0, y4, x0 is here, 4 is this is R0, 4. And second point for this is x minus 4, y0. X minus 4 is this, and here y is 0. So we have joined these 2 points, R and S, Then we get line R is for equation x minus y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, we get two lines PQ and RS which intersect at a point Q at a point Q 3, 7. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. Therefore, the number of boys who participate in the quiz is 3 and the number of girls who participate in the quiz is 7. That's all. In the next video, we shall take more questions relating to graphical solution of pair of linear equations. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.